everyone, it's 10:30 in the evening and I'm about to sleep, but I want to tell you that I'm going to be shooting a glimpse of a day in my life tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, good night. So I woke up early and said my morning prayers today since I will be attending a session at 8 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, I'll update you once I am done and while I'm attending. And yeah, let's go. I'm attending a session in bed, which is the session of how to find a good research topic or question by Prof. Pulver and Sally Chan. So yeah, I hope I make good contributions, and that's it.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl. When a rainbow's over, you kiss, no one needs to know. It's like a...
So we are now done with the talk and kakain na akong breakfast. So yeah, let's go. I'm now eating my breakfast, and my breakfast is egg, pandesal, and coffee. And mukhang gatas. So yeah. I'm now done eating and I will be reviewing for SAT, and I'll share with you some footages. And actually finalizing a design for my brother's birthday tomorrow, and I will be reviewing for SAT after finalizing that, and printing, of course. So come with me to my brother's room and I will be printing the stuff that I need for his birthday. Brother's room is clean right now. So it's really, I'm hardworking, I don't care. Okay, it's more hardworking than I am. You might be wondering why I'm using glasses now. I actually strain my eyes whenever I use my laptop for so long, and yeah, it's just a protection daw, sabi nung ideal vision.
Come, won't you come along?
I'm going to review, and I already printed the things I need for tomorrow, and yeah. So the reviewers I will be using today will be from Varsity Tutors, and this already helped me improve my grade from my first practice test to my second. And yeah, I'll share it to you later, just a glimpse of the reviewers and our slides. And yeah, let's go. And after I am reading SAT reading, their tips, overview, and skills tested. Reading, and it has helped me a lot since the past few days. Yeah. So by the way, they also help us by giving tips on how to prepare for the SAT, and I am planning to take it on December with my friends.
And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Bake na ako. So magbe-bake na ako for my brother's birthday tomorrow, and I will be baking a blueberry cheesecake for him.
When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
We're done with online math, and I will now work out.
What's up? How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, a lover's moment, yeah.
just finished working out, so the next thing I'll do is to help my grandmother in her tindahan. Currently in my lola's tindahan, helping her sell her food products, and yeah.
이런 기분 설명할 수 없어 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah, yeah, yeah. 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지 기뻐할 너를
Done washing the dishes and we will go pray the rosary and we will sleep.
기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지
Good night and I hope you enjoy.
Unang araw pa lang